What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to do integration of square root of e to the power of x minus 1 dx. So in order to solve it, I'm gonna use substitution methods and consider u as square root of e to the power of x minus 1. So I can say u squared is gonna be e to the power of x minus 1, or I can say u squared plus 1 is e to the power of x. So 2u du is going to be e to the power of x dx, or I can say du equals to 1 over 2 1 over u e to the power of x dx, or du equals to 1 over 2 1 over square root of e to the power of x minus 1 e to the power of x dx. Or I can say du equals to 1 over 2 times 1 over u, and e to the power of x is u squared plus 1 dx. So now what we have here, I'm going to say du equals to 1 over 2u, and here we have u squared plus 1 dx. So dx will be 2u du divided by u squared plus 1. So instead of dx, I can put this expression. So the whole thing is going to be u times 2u du divided by u squared plus 1. Which makes it 2u squared divided by u squared plus 1 du. Then I add and subtract 1 here. It will be u squared plus 1 divided by u squared plus 1 du minus square root of integration of 1 over u squared plus 1 du. And then when you do the integration, this part is going to be 1. So the integration of du is just u, and the integration of this part is arc tan u plus c. So it's going to be 2 square root of ex minus 1 minus arc tan square root of e to the power of x minus 1 plus c. So that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.